हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे न्यूटन फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फार्मूला। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट y इक्वल टू एफ एक्स बी अ फंक्शन ऑफ x, वी एज्यूम डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ y। For n+1 equidistant values x0, x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. Let p and x be a polynomial of degree n. This polynomial may be written as where a0, a1, a2 and so on an are constants. We choose Pn x0 equal to y0, Pn x1 equal to y1, Pn x2 equal to y2 and so on. We have Pn x I equal to yi, Pn xn equal to yn, where I equal to 0, 1, 2 rest as n. We have xi minus x0 equal to ih, where I equal to 0, 1, 2 rest as n, and h equal to interval of differencing. Now putting the value x0, x1, x2 and xn in 1. We get Pn x0 equal to E0 equal to Y0. Pn x1 equal to E0 plus E1 x minus x0. That's imply y1 equal to y0 plus e1 into h. That's imply e1 equal to y1 minus y0 by h. That's imply e1 equal to delta y0 by h. Again Pn x2 equal to e0 plus e1 x2 minus x0 plus e2 x2 minus x0 x2 minus x1. That's imply y2 equal to y0 plus delta y0 by h into 2h plus e2 into 2h into h. That simply 2h square e2 equal to y2 minus y0 minus 2 delta y0 equal to del square y0 by 2h. Similarly, e3 equal to 1 by factorial 3 h cube into del q y0 and en equal to so on again en equal to 1 by factorial n h n del to the power n y0. Put the value of e1 e0 e1 e2 dash dash en in 1. We get pnx equal to y0 plus delta y0 by h x minus x0 plus delta square y0 by factorial 2 h square x minus x0 x minus x1 plus del q y0 by factorial 3 h cube x minus x0 x minus x1 and x minus x2 plus and so on in last plus delta to the power n y0 by factorial n h to the power n x minus x0 x minus x1 into x minus x2 and so on in last x minus xn minus 1. This is equation 2. Now let x minus x0 by h equal to u. That's imply x minus x naught equal to HU. Silly, x minus xi by h equal to x minus x naught plus IH by h. Here we write xi equal to x naught plus IH equal to x minus x naught minus IH by h equal to x minus x naught by h minus I. We write u minus I, where I equal to 1, 2, dash dash n minus 1. Hence we write equation 2 as Pn x को हम लिख सकते हैं x माइनस x नॉट प्लस HU. X we write here x naught plus HU, and we have y naught plus del y naught by h into HU plus del square y naught by factorial 2h square HU into HU minus 1 plus del q y naught 3 factorial 3 HQ HU into HU minus 1 into HU minus 2 and so on, plus del to the power n y naught factorial n h to the power n into HU into HU minus 1 into HU minus 2 and so on in last h into u minus n minus 1 equal to y naught plus u into delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 by factorial 2 del square y naught plus u minus 1 into u minus 2 by factorial 3 del to the power q y naught plus and so on, plus u minus 1 into u minus 2 into dash dash u minus n minus 1 by factorial n into delta to the power n y naught. This is called forward interpolation formula. So आज हम लोग यहीं तक पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.